Guys, welcome back. So guys, I'm gonna be tasting these three things. So guys, I'm gonna eat this. Holes. I already opened it guys. I smashed it. You know what? So I'm gonna put on my mouth. 3, 2, 1. Mm. Ah. Mm. Wait. We're gonna put on very quick. But seven used to right. I just have to put my stole away. Ready. But yeah. The second thing I only have 2 chocolate because this was 3. But yeah, simple. So now I'm gonna try this lollipop. It's Stambo cherry flavor. Yeah. So then I'm gonna show you what it looks. Transition. So guys, here's the paper. And here's the lollipop. The sticky lollipop is missing from my taste. Brook. Guys, I will be sucking out this now. Guys, this is a bubblegum. I did a hole. 1 out of 10. My mouth is burning. I was so bad. So this is the container. Fried egg bite open for juice. As I open it, I'm show you what's inside. This looks like a real egg, but there's jelly. As I lick paper, this is not like coconut water. Like, so I'm take it out now to the container. Is it? Wait. So here's it. And then here's a pack to choose. It's over here. I still go back. There's fucking juice. Bye. Come back to another channel maybe tomorrow.